InfinitiPRO here, and I'm so excited to show you how to do this super easy wash and go. And I'm also very excited to show you how to use a diffuser on your short natural hair. When I first got a diffuser, I did this huge search on Google, YouTube, everywhere to see if I could find a video on how to use a diffuser on short natural hair. Everything I found was women who already had their long, big, huge, beautiful curly froze, but I didn't see any that really catered to women with short natural hair who are growing their hair out and want to know how to use a diffuser. So I decided to make one on my own. After a few tries, I finally got the technique down. So I want to show you how to do it for yourself. Stay tuned.
So I'm going to start off by conditioning my hair with the Camille Rose Naturals Moisture Max Conditioner. And I just started using this conditioner about 2 weeks ago, and I'm absolutely in love with it. It leaves my hair feeling super moisturized, and it doesn't make my hair feel stripped after I wash it out, which I found happens with a lot of different co-washes that I've been trying since I've been fully natural. But this one, it literally is just as moisturizing and conditioning as it says it is on the bottle. The only downside to this is that I literally have to use 2 hands every time I squeeze the conditioner out of the tube because it is so thick. But aside from that, I love it so much, and as you can see, it really gets into my curls and helps keep them defined as I'm washing them. Next up, after rinsing out and letting my hair towel dry for a bit, I'm going to add in the Creme of Nature Coconut Milk Curl Repair Leave-In, which I love. I just started using Creme of Nature's coconut milk products, and they are to die for. I mean, this is one of my favorite leave-ins to date. Not only does it smell amazing, but it makes my hair feel super soft, and it helps me with my wash and goes because it doesn't make my hair feel flaky or crunchy afterwards, and it just maintains moisture throughout the week, and my wash and goes, I've noticed, have lasted much longer. I haven't been too meticulous about separating my hair so far this video, but now that I'm getting down to styling, I think it's really important to separate your hair into as many sections as possible. It just helps you when defining the curls and getting as much product as you need in each section. So here's my hair all sectioned off, and I have to make even smaller sections in some of the sections that I've already made. I've realized that honestly the best wash and goes for myself are the ones where I focus on making sure that I saturate each and every strand, and so I'm going to make sure that my hair is super wet while I'm styling and using the gel. Here's my Denman brush, which has honestly changed the game for all of my wash and goes. Before I was simply trying to finger coil and rake my hair out, but no, the Denman brush does the damn thing. Not only does it detangle my hair perfectly, but it helps me to clump and really shape my curls. You'll see. So here's the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. This I swear by. Every other gel that I've used leaves my hair super flaky and crunchy afterwards, and putting this with the Creme of Nature leave-in is a winning duo for me and has been my go-to for the past few weeks. So as you can see, I am raking my hair to start, and I'm doing this because I want to make sure that I get as much gel all through each of the strands as possible. So I like to rake it and then also squeeze in the product. Now I'm going to comb it with the comb with the Denman brush, and as you can see, the curls are clumping together nicely and falling into place and just doing their thing and living their best lives. I think the Denman brush really sets it off, and I'm so happy that I decided to purchase one. So let me slow it down for you a little bit. Here I am saturating my hair. Now I am adding on tons and tons of the Jackie's curling gel, and I'm making sure that I get each and every strand. I'm raking through, and I'm also squeezing the product into my hair and making sure that every bit of it is completely saturated in gel, because this will help make my curls as defined as I want them to be. So I'm just taking my time, raking through the product, and then afterwards I'm going to go in with my Denman brush and start to define the curls. As you can see, when using the diamond brush, you can't just brush it any old type of way because look, it'll make the curls turn upwards, which is not how I like it. So I'm going to show you the exact method. I like to hold my hair out to the side and then comb it that way. And that way the curls will just swirl on their own, which is really nice, and it helps them to fall very, very nicely and clump together the way we want. And then I like to shingle it just a little bit and then continue to curl comb them until they all clump together and create these really nice spiraled curls. One section down. I just had to slow it down because that spring back, whew, I'm so hyped about it. Y'all, when people say shrinkage is bad, no, don't listen to them. Shrinkage means your hair is super healthy, so embrace it. So this part of the video gets a little bit blurry. My boyfriend, whom I love and cherish, was focusing it for me and didn't focus it the way I wanted to. So the next few frames are just a tiny bit blurry. Bear with me. Now for the diffusing, I have the InfinitiPRO by Conair 259 blow dryer, and it comes with an attachable diffuser head. When diffusing my hair, I make sure to always tilt it to whatever side I'm trying to dry at the time. When you tilt your hair to one side, it helps the curls to fall, and the goal when diffusing your hair is to not smush your curls and make your hair look super flat, and it's to help your hair still maintain that bounce, but of course get as dried as possible. So what I'm doing is moving the diffuser in a circular motion or up and down, left and right. Whatever you do is fine, just as long as you're keeping the diffuser moving each time. This also helps to prevent some heat damage. Right now I have mine on a medium heat, but on high, and I try not to do too much heat on my hair, but if I was blowing cold air on my hair, it would probably take so much longer for it to dry, so I have to use medium. So again, I'm just making sure that I tilt my head and I'm moving my diffuser along the way. As I'm diffusing, I make sure that it's not pressed against my scalp, so the diffuser is actually touching just the ends of my curls ever so slightly. Again, I'm doing that because I don't want my curls to get super flat and to just stick to my head. This is the best way to do that. And we're back to some clarity here, so you can actually see the detail shots of my curls, and as you can see, they're still defined, and I'm still doing that circular motion all throughout my hair. It's starting to dry, and the fronts of my hair are starting to stick up a little bit and kind of do their own thing, which is fine with me because I like my hair to be a little bit wild, I guess, as I'm drying it. that I finish diffusing my hair, I'm going to use my fro pick and just pick my hair out from the root just so I can give it some more volume and body.
And there it is. I hope you liked this video. As always, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your notifications so you know when my next video will be live, and leave me a comment. Let me know if you have any questions, concerns, or any thoughts on what I should do for my next video. Until next time.
For more beauty tips, visit aishabeau.com.